Welcome to this quick anatomical overview of the foot and ankle. We will be using the reference diagram on your screen to guide us through the primary bone structures. Starting proximally, the lower leg connects to the foot via two bones. The larger weight-bearing tibia on the medial side and the thinner fibula on the lateral. Moving distally, we reach the tarsal bones. This group includes the talus, which articulates with the leg bones to form the ankle joint, and the large calcaneus, which forms your heel. Just anterior to these are the midfoot bones, the navicular, the cuboid, and the three cuneiform bones. Moving anteriorly again, we find the metatarsals. These 5 long bones make up the main body and arch of your foot, bridging the midfoot to the base of your toes. Finally, the phalanges make up your digits or toes. Much like the hand, each toe is divided into sections, a proximal, middle, and distal phalanx, with the exception of the big toe, which only has 2. And that covers the foundational skeletal framework of the foot and ankle.